everyone, Monique here, Little Gems Jewelry Canada. Today we are going to make a wire wrapped stone pendant, and we're going to start that in just a moment. Hi everyone, Monique here, Little Gems Jewelry Canada. Today we are going to be wire wrapping this stone. So you're going to need some wire. Now I get my wire from the welding section of the hardware store. I like to use aluminum wire because it doesn't tarnish. This is a 0.8 millimeter aluminum wire. Okay, so you're going to need that. You're going to need your different tools. Now I'm going to use my bail pliers, but I just want you to know you can also use the widest part on your round nose pliers. So to start, I'm going to take about 2.5 feet of wire. Now, if you're thinking gauge, I think this is around 18 to 20 gauge wire, okay? So I'm going to put the ends together and I'm going to find the center, okay? So now what I'm going to do is using my bail, I'm going to go with this one. I'm gonna put my wire around the bail. Pliers on the thickness that I want, and I am gonna go around 3 times. There we go. Then I'm gonna take the wire and I'm just gonna cross them. So we've got this. I'm gonna take that off and I'm just going to give it 2 turns. And you want your bail to end up like this because then you can put your, your piece of leather or whatever through it. So now I'm going to take the wire, I'm going to go around the stone. Okay, around the bottom. I'm going to give it a twist at the bottom. Okay, and now I'm going to bring the 2 wires together and we're just going to start going around the stone, making a bit of a cage. Now I'm going to hold it here with the 2 wires together and I'm going to put a little twist and I'm just holding it down with my fingers, okay? Then, if I wanted that a bit tighter, I could take my round nose and just turn it a bit tighter. Okay, and then I'm going to take this around the back. I want to have some security around the back. I'll bring that back to the front. I'm going to now hold it down with my thumb and bring this around the other way. And I'm going to bring it up. And I'm going to just keep bringing it. I want it nice and tight on here. Give it another little swirl. Okay, so we've got that so far. Now I'm going to bring it up here. And I'm going to go one more tight little swirl. So see, this is what we've got so far, 3 nice little swirls. And now we're just going to take these and we're going to wrap around the bail. Okay. And you want the sharp part to end up at the back. Okay, and I'm going to do the same with the other one. Going around the bail, and we want these to end up at the back, and we want this one to end up at the back, and then we're just going to tuck them in. Okay, tuck it in, tuck it in. You don't want any sharp points. And there you go, guys. And it is solid in there. It is solid. If you want, see here I have kind of a bit of a boring thing. I'm going to give it a little twist. And then on the back here, I think I want those split up a bit. So I'm just going to split those up. And then I'm going to give each one a little, like a lightning bolt. There we go. And then this is what we've got for the front. And that is another wire wrapped stone. So don't forget to check my description. I put all kinds of neat things in my description. And hit that like and subscribe. Always trying to grow my channel. I just want this a bit more like here, and I want this one a bit more like there. There we go. You fuss with it the way you like it. But isn't that cute? Yeah. There we go. Okay. Thanks for watching. Hit that like and subscribe. And have a great day. Bye now.